What's up, love guys? Welcome back to another episode here on the channel. Hope everyone's okay. Special Fatalofa to all Ainga members. Today's a very special day. Man's getting his wedding today. So all the boys here, the one and only. Yeah, just getting final preps done. We'll try and get as much content as we can today. We'll try and capture as much as we can. If you guys enjoyed today's content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. See you soon. Day that God has made. I'm very blessed to be here at this moment, be here with you boys. I'm very thankful that each and every one of you had accepted the invitation to be groomsmen and also wrong for this man. This is just a little thank you gift. It's not a goodbye forever. I'm not going to see you guys again because I'm married, but it's just to see you guys after the wedding. As you can see, each one is custom made, so I got one for each and every one of you. It represents a superhero. These are characteristics that I thought suited each and every one of you. Yeah, so if you guys don't mind, just you can open up your buckle, take a look, and just put it back in so we can take some photos for the. As you can see, these are all DC heroes. Big fan of DC, but the USO is Zorro. The one. The gag is because he's always getting lost. He gets lost. Somehow he ended up in the DC. Take a look, and if you guys just set up after you so we can take some photos. But I really like to see you guys take a look inside. Take a video. So this is what the heck it is. Custom made.
fam. So gonna head into what the boys are, just to see where we're at. We need to get ready soon because the photographer is coming. Everyone has to be ready by then.
Walking down a lonely road, you found me.
All right, fam, in the hotel room. Gotta get ready. We'll hit back when we're done.
Walking down a lonely road, you found me.
All right, fam, we're off to the church now. Catch you there. Alright guys, so we just got we finished the formalities with the church, and now we're gonna head on the bus for the photo shoot. How you feeling, bro? Let's get it.
Eso me calma, yo lo sé. Tú bien lo sabes. Tú bien lo sabes. Oh, con bebé. No van a decir que tiene. Baila pero por cienes. Con mi baby. Oh, con bebé. Amigo que anda tiene. No hace falta Chanel para sentir.
Hey, I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy, well, that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire, let me get hurt. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Oh, I miss the summers with you and never swipe left to right. Knock in your window, no friend request, no, just spent the night. I had to walk right up to your locker and risk you saying, boy, just don't bother. I know this all just makes me sound ancient, but sons and daughters, that shit was amazing. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives. Staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Go get your DeLorean. Yo, what you got in that bag? Candy, cigarettes, and a Playboy mag? Man, you used to have to work for that. Wait for me, gotta dial up. Can't call my landline cause it's all tied up. Just bike over then. Oh, oh, oh.
This is Rob. He's also a doctor. Okay, so we're just I think cake. We're doing the cake now at the moment. Then after that, it's our item. We're heading home now with the kids now and the wife. It's been a long day, really tired as well. We'll catch you at the farm tomorrow, guys. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. welcome back. It's I think about 3:30 now. Spent the whole morning trying to recover. Strength is not the same as usual, so always trying to steer clear of any sort of alcohol anymore. But yeah, guys, we had a really great night last night. Also, just want to say again a big congratulations to Nolan and Mayday on their wedding. It was a really good experience. I think at the end of the night everyone was pretty tired, so when we got home last night, the wife and I and the kids just went straight to bed, and then woke up this morning, throat was dry. So yeah, had a nice bottle of water, went back to sleep and spent the whole morning recovering. But we're here now at the cattle farm. I'm just gonna no, there's already water for the cows. It was raining, so there's already water there. See the cows there? See, not interested in water at all. So I think I'm just gonna grab some luau for the umu tomorrow, and then we'll head back home. So yeah, I'll be back, guys. So we've just got our luau's, but I also, while I was getting the luau, the taro leaves, noticed our pumpkin is back in season. So I think we've got 2 there. We've got more pumpkins growing around that side, in there and around there. So yeah, it's very windy here in Samoa today, so we did have some rain in the morning, but also the plantation that's set for harvest in about 4 or 5 months was also attacked by pigs again. If you guys see there, you can see that the majority of that top side is mostly gone now because of the pigs, so not so good. But rest of these plantations are growing well that we planted during independence. So this is now, it's June, July, it's about 2 months old. Then we have the other plot over there where I was cutting trees. So we'll quickly go take a look at that and see if we can get some more luau's from that side. Yeah, probably call it a day. Alright guys, so here at the plantation, the new plot, you can see that some of them have 2 to 3 leaves, while some have no leaves at all. And that's because these were the ones that I had to switch out because the cows, see there's a lot of cow poo, and I had to switch out the ones that the cow stomped on with new ones. So for example, this is one of the new ones, one of the old ones that over there we planted during the chainsaw episode when I was here. So those are the ones that have 2 leaves. As you can see there, 1 maybe 2 leaves, but it's been quite a lot of damage from cows coming into the plantation. So this plot goes, still trying to plant it all the way back there and towards that way. Just gonna collect some more luau. Very windy here in Samoa. It's one of the reasons why I'm trying to hurry, in case one of these old trees snaps and falls on the road that we travel back home to. So just going to quickly finish this off and we'll head home. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to sign off now. I'm just going to head back home and then finish preparing the stuff for the umu tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content, as well as last night's wedding. Again, congratulations to Nolan and me. But I'm going to head off home, guys. We'll definitely catch you guys tomorrow on our next episode. Still trying to decide if I will be spending Tonai with the fams here all heading to appear to my parents. So still not sure yet, but you'll definitely find out tomorrow once the episode comes up. But until then, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for the support. Really appreciate it from you guys. The channel's been growing really well, and I couldn't have done it without you, so really appreciate it. May God continue to bless everyone. Hope you have a great weekend. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode, but until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, guys. See you soon.